Okay, welcome back to Southern California POS Systems, showing you how to use future POS front end. Today we're going to go over some customer maintenance items, including how to add a customer, look up a customer, and some other advanced things for managers within customers. So here we go. All right, customer comes in and we log them in. We log in here. If you're utilizing this function at your store, you're head and shoulders above the competition because you're capturing information for marketing and a bunch of other reasons. So within the user function, we can start by looking up a customer. Okay, look up a customer or add a customer. I like look up a customer because you can also add a customer straight from look up a customer. So if I'm looking up a customer, I can look that customer up by phone number, by name, by email address, bunch of different ways I can look up that customer. So let's go ahead and start typing in 619. Okay, 555. Oh, John Smith, there you are. Okay, so I have John Smith here. I can choose John Smith. I hit OK, and now I start the ticket, and you can see that John Smith is here. Okay, and that's how we just looked up a customer. We added the customer right away. If it's a new customer, I go look up customer. I hit new customer. Okay, he's not there. Now this information is what your restaurant is requiring. Okay, we can get as little or as much information as you want to require. Typically last name. So we want let's go Jones this time. Okay, last name, first name are standard, and then we want to put some phone number in there so we can look them up by their phone number 760-888-1212. Okay, boom, and that's all the information that we're requiring. This particular location wants to enroll people in a frequent diner plan. You can have a whole bunch of different kind of plans here. So if you enroll them in something, this will clicking on that will enroll them when they're signed in. Now here's Chad Jones. Okay, again, I can load in as much information as I want about Chad, but I'm not going to. Okay, so hit OK here. Now that just added the customer. We're still on. This is just a one thing to be careful with. We're still on John Smith because I put him in initially. So whatever order comes in is still going to come in under John Smith. All I did was just add a customer here. Okay. So I want to cancel out this sale if I want Chad Jones to get credit for it. Okay, if you're getting points or something like that for dining with you. So if we go look up customer, short list. Here's Chad Jones. Hit OK. He's going to table 10. Chad Jones is there. We're ready to start ordering whatever it is that we're looking for there. Okay, easy does it. Now, one other thing about ordering or about looking up a customer. Okay, let me go ahead and cancel this out. All right. If I look up a customer that has been in before, um, okay, let's say right here, K. Helmy, and I hit more. Nope, that's not the one. Who's been in before? Jose Gonzalez has been in before. Hit more. I can get up to the last 4 orders that he has had that he's come when he's come in. So Jose can come in and say, "Man, I came in, not that long ago, and oh man, I had an amazing sandwich or amazing roll. What did I get? Well, let me look it up for you. Yeah, you had this, you had that, you had whatever it is. So I can look up to the last 4 orders and tell me the date that it was, and I can just repeat order. Hey, you want the same thing that you got last time? Repeat the order. Okay, boom. Jose Gonzalez, orders repeated, send it to the kitchen. I'm off to the next customer. And I look like a stud. So that is future POS, how to look up a customer and utilize some functions within lookup customer. Uh, Follow along in the next videos for advanced usage for supervisors on how to look up customer and add some credits, which you cannot do as a server. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and keep following the videos for more information on how to use future POS.